Hello everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video I am doing the quick unboxing and the on-feet experience of the Adidas Solar Blaze running sports shoes. So I got these from Adidas official India website for 3600 rupees. There was 60% sale going on. Generally you can find these anywhere around 4,000 to 5,000 Indian rupees. So these are the kind of entry-level Solar series running sports shoes. So there was no proper video regarding these shoes on YouTube, so that's why I'm making this video. Just hold on. So this is our box right here. Adidas logo everywhere, and you can see 8,000 rupees MRP. Solar Blaze M is the name of the shoes, the entry-level Solar series shoes. So these are the shoes right here. So let me take out one for you guys. So this is the color scheme of the shoes. I just love the orange accent of these shoes, as you can see on the sole. So this is the Solar Blaze branding right here. So the midsole you can see right here is made out of bounce cushioning, and the outsole is made out of Adiwear outsole, as you can see. So guys, overall the color scheme is really nice of these shoes. You can see the mesh on top of it, which gives you breathability, and you can see the bounce branding on the sock liner as well. And this is the tag. I have UK 11 size. So guys, before buying these shoes I was using these Adidas Duramo 9 shoes. You can find these shoes videos on my channel as well, but these are a major upgrade in the term of cushioning, and it gives you a lot more bounce, a lot more response while running, which is really important, and the comfort is also quite good in these shoes. Overall this will give you a little bit of a Boost series look of the shoes, especially from this back where the Boost or the Ultra Boost branding is like this. So overall these are a really great shoes, and especially guys, I love the color scheme of these shoes. That's why I bought these. Out of every color that was available, this is the most standing out color. So guys, overall this is the unboxing experience of these shoes. And now, so guys, on the next thing you will be seeing them on my feet, so it will give you on feet experience as well.